Hey everyone, got my hands on the Cooler Master SK650, and let me tell you, this thing is sleek. Like seriously slim. If you're into that minimalist, low-profile look, this keyboard is screaming your name. But it's not just about looks, this thing packs a punch. The big deal here is the Cherry MX low-profile red switches. Now, if you're used to regular Cherry MX reds, these feel a little different. Shorter travel distance, quicker actuation, it's all about speed. Great for gaming, obviously, but I actually found myself enjoying it for typing too. It's surprisingly comfortable even for longer sessions. The keycaps themselves are pretty flat, which contributes to the overall slim profile. They're slightly contoured, just enough to give you a good feel for where your fingers are. And the brushed aluminum top plate? SK650. It feels premium, looks fantastic, and adds a touch of class to your setup. Of course, it wouldn't be a Cooler Master keyboard without RGB, right? The per-key backlighting is vibrant and customizable, and the light bars on the sides add a subtle but cool underglow. You can control everything on the fly, no software needed, which is always a plus. But if you want to dive deeper into customization, there's software for that too. One thing I really appreciate is the detachable USB-C cable. Makes it so much easier to transport, and if the cable ever gets damaged, you can just replace it instead of the whole keyboard. Smart move, Cooler Master. Now, is it perfect? Well, no keyboard is. The low-profile switches might take some getting used to if you're coming from traditional mechanical keyboards. And while the flat keycaps look great, they might not be everyone's cup of tea. Personally, I dig them, but your mileage may vary. Overall, though, the SK650 is a seriously impressive keyboard. It's got the looks, the performance, and the features to make it a real contender in the low-profile mechanical keyboard market. If you're looking for something slim, stylish, and packed with gaming-grade performance, definitely check this one out. It might just be your new favorite keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.